Ven a cocinar algo espectacular en la cocina de Pilar.
Hello again, guys. Welcome to Pilar's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you a recipe that is close to home. It is from Monterrey, Nuevo León, and it is these delicious charro beans. They are so yummy, you are going to love them. The ingredients are the next. We are going to use 2 cups of dry beans, maybe a little over a pound. We'll also use a quarter onion and 1 garlic clove in 12 cups of water with a splash of cooking oil. The oil helps so that the bean broth is not just brown water, but a little creamier. We'll add the garlic and onion, and we will let it cook on my pressure cooker for about an hour. We'll be right back. Once the beans are ready, we will saute 4 hot dogs in small pieces, half a pound of your choice of bacon. Also, we're going to use half a pound of the ham of your preference. You can use sweet, honey, smoked, it doesn't really matter. We'll use 1 chorizo sausage, a quarter cup of chopped onions, and a pinch of oregano. I'm going to use a teaspoon here. And also a half a bunch of cilantro and just a couple of chopped garlic cloves. We are going to start sauteing the bacon because it will let out its natural grease. We are going to keep on adding ingredients so they cook in the same bacon grease. We are not going to add any oil. Let's add the chorizo as well. Here, as you may have noticed, I changed the pot. My husband was quick to point out the pot I was using was too short for this recipe, and you always want to make sure to use a big enough pot. Let's add the hot dogs and the ham as well. This already smells amazing. Let's add the onion and the garlic. We cannot forget the garlic. It's time to add the cilantro after adding everything else already. We'll add the oregano as well. And now it's up to you to season it. I will add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Now I'm gonna let it simmer for 10 minutes. It's time for the end, obviously the best part. Time to try it. They are really hot, but delicious as always. As you can see, this was a fairly easy recipe. I encourage you to try this at home, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. I will see you on the next recipe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.